Hey guys, so this is how you're going to activate your LSSC device daily and secure your passive income with LSSC. So the first thing that you're going to do is to head over to the LSSC app or the LSSC website. Now once you're here, you can just head over to the Run tab from this low or at the bottom menu right here, and then you can see your devices posted right here. Now, what you're going to do to activate your device is to just click on this button right here. This looks like a power button. It would normally look like a blue icon if your device isn't activated yet, but since mine is already activated as and is currently delivering, it looks like gray now. Now, once you after a week or two, maybe if you want to withdraw your balance already, you can just click on this wallet icon right here and you can see the balance that you currently have or the income that your scooter already has. Now once you have seen that, you're going to go over to the My tab or the Me tab and then click on this withdrawal right here. Now you're just going to enter the amount that you want to withdraw, and that's it. That is how you activate your LSSC device and secure your passive income.